can see I've set the language to the wrong language on here by turning it on, and this should be cottons. As we can see, it's in a completely different language. So to change the language, hold down these two buttons for 5 seconds. Then it will come up with the language selection. So we've got English here, but you'd cycle through with these buttons. So yeah, only this button to cycle through, cycle all the way through. There is quite a few languages to choose from. As you can see, and then English, hit the start button to confirm, switch it to the off position. Now when we switch back on, we can see it's back to English.